This video is going to show you how to contribute to someone else's project that they've posted in the community garden and they're not currently updating. So you can see what happened in this case is that someone posted this awesome standing desk, and then they've moved on, and someone else in the forums thread here for this project updated the files and made an improved version, and they're asking for how to basically put those files into the main version. And for this demonstration, I'm just going to be logged in as Hannah because it looks a little bit different logged in as me because I'm the administrator of all this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the source button here. That's going to take us to the GitHub page for this project. From there, we want to click this fork button, and this is going to create a new copy of the project for us. So this is Hannah's copy now. She can do anything she wants to it, and it won't affect the main version at all. So now she has a complete copy. And first thing we're going to do is, so we're going to upload these new files. Drag them over here. So these are the updated files. Those will load. And then we'll add a little description of what we did. Now let's just, in the README file here, add a little description of what we changed. So maybe we'll propose putting an "and" in front here just to make it a little more clear. I'm just going to grab the text from the forum post about what's new. So now there's a description of what the new files are. All right, so now we've made all of the changes that we want to make to the final version on our version here. So this is Hannah's version. Actually, let's edit this. I think there's a typo here too. So now Hannah's version here looks exactly the way we'd like the real one to look. So what we're going to do is we're going to create what's called a pull request. And that pull request here, so we're just going to click New Pull Request button. And that pull request is going to basically, we're requesting to make these changes to the official version. So we're going to say, and then all we do now is we click Create Pull Request. And now we've requested that these changes be merged in with the regular version of the project. And this pull request is public. Anyone can comment on it and say if they think it's a good idea or not. You can click here and see, what we've changed. You see we've added 2 new files, and we've added to the description. And because this project is community managed, one of 2 things will happen. The person who originally created this project has now automatically received an email asking them to review these proposed changes and see if they approve them or not. And they can approve or reject them right away at any time. But let's say that they're not interested anymore and they've moved on with their lives. The community garden robot is going to come in and it's going to propose a vote, and the community can vote to approve or reject these changes. And after 48 hours, if they're approved, they'll automatically become part of the project. And so in that way, even after the original person who created the project isn't monitoring it anymore, the community can continue to contribute to and improve a project. So I'm just going to, it takes a couple minutes for the robot to notice that there's a new change and to propose a vote. So I'll come back once that's bin and propose, and I'll show you what it looks like. So now here you can see that the community garden robot has called a vote on this pull request, and we can vote up or down on this pull request. And if it gets enough votes, it will be automatically merged in and become part of the project. Thanks for watching.